Today is Sunday, November 22nd, 2020. We're at the Moon Palace Resort in Cancun, Mexico, and this is a tour of our guest room at the Moon Palace Resort in Cancun, Mexico. Okay, here goes. Start with the bathroom. Hang on a second. We got a sink right here. Oh, hey everybody. We got a little mirror right here. The little ring around it is a light bulb, actually. Towels with drawers and cabinets. A trash can in there. My brother Troy's in there. It's got a toilet and a shower in there. And check out the bedroom now.
Trash can.
Okay.
Trash.
Hang on a second. There's a closet. Hang on a second.
Here. Fine, I found it.
There's a safe right there. Some bathrobes and ironing equipment. It's the closet. Okay, hang on a second, guys. Hang on.
I guess the channels just didn't come early.
Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Excuse me, bedroom. We got a TV right here. Coffee making stuff. Water, the water bottle right there. I'm not really. Oh wait, that's for ice right there. Get some ice if you need any. Oh, and in here we got a little fridge with Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Sprite, water bottle, beer, juice, and all that stuff.
And then here.
Oh, and in there,
Cabinet. Come over here.
that's a liquor cabinet. Thinking those are like beer and all that.
That's not beer, that's alcohol.
Alcohol, sorry.
It's vodka and whiskey and tequila and rum.
Oh, okay.
It's all included.
It's all included, as my mom said. Got some drawers right here. What kind of beds are these, Mom?
Double beds.
2 double beds here. We got a lamp right here. An alarm clock. A phone right there. I like that painting up there. Picture. The flowers. It's really cool. Interesting. Got bathtub with jacuzzi jets. Some towels right there. Yeah, it's really clever. It's looks like a leaf on that decor right there. I think that's what it is. There's a little table here with some couple chairs, and let's go check out the outside, the balcony area.
Right,
Hang on a
there's one
second.
up here on the lamp.
Oh, actually, I just see it in here. Got a little hammock out there. And some chairs and a little table right there. And look at the view out there. This is the Moon Palace Resort view. It's the hotel we're staying at. Okay, hang on a second. Alright guys, so I'll see you tomorrow for day number 2 of our 2020 vacation to Cancun and Riviera Maya, Mexico. Okay, see you guys then. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
Barbecue that you went to?
Hey guys, today is Monday, November 23rd, 2020, and there's one thing about my room tour that I showed you guys yesterday. Is forgot to videotape it because a couple of my family members were in there, and but I'm going to show you real quick. It's the bathroom. One part of the bathroom I forgot to show you. You got a toilet in here with some toilet paper, of course, and a trash can. Bathrobes and towels.
Yeah,
And there's a shower shower right here. Yep, that's what I forgot to show you guys last night on my room tour video because a couple of my family members were in here. But that's the second half of the bathroom for you.